Hey, what's up? Hello, Cali Mely here. Today I am going to be reorganizing my closet. I have not reorganized my closet since I moved into my home 2 years ago. So if you would like to see how I reorganize my closet, then please keep watching.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon, and I end up alone. I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Ain't got no place to call my own. Feels like I'm better off alone. So sad inside and hopeless. These Hollywood hoes never notice. Can't get back on. Girl, I miss you. Can't get back on. Girl, I miss you. Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon.
Obviously, my closet is pretty messy now, but you can tell that I was pretty organized at one point. We have lived in this house for 2 years, and when I first moved in, I was so excited to have a super large closet. So I color coordinated my clothes as well as my husband's clothes, and I didn't really have a rhyme and reason. I just did it by the rainbow and didn't really think about it. But after going to my sister's new house and helping her organize her closet, I loved the idea of separating everything by tanks, t-shirts, and long sleeves, and then also separating them by cardigans and dresses. So we didn't really think about the dresses part of it when we were building this house, which is completely fine. I know that a lot of people don't have the luxury of even having a super large closet. So these are just some tips and tricks that I have learned over the years to really just help keep organized no matter what size your closet is. What I like to do is just start from the very beginning. So just pick one side and start organizing it. I put my tanks all first, and then I started putting my t-shirts, and then I started putting my long sleeves. My tanks, I did color coordinate everything. I color coordinated white, gray, black, and then brown. And then I started with light pink all the way to bright pink to red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and I don't have much purple, but purple.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon, and I end up alone. I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Ain't got no place to call my own. Feels like I'm better off alone. So sad inside and hopeless. These Hollywood hoes never notice. Can't get back on. Girl, I miss you.
Once I was done organizing everything that needed to be hung in the closet, I then started working on these shelves. I started with my side, and I really wasn't sure how I was going to do it. I have a bunch of random stuff in there, and so I just really needed to sit and think about what was going to be the best way for me to organize these shelves. When we were building the house, I thought that I was going to utilize the shelves, but my husband welded together a shoe rack. He made it for us, and we have it outside in our garage. It's huge, and it holds all of my shoes, if you can imagine. I definitely have some that I probably never even wear that I just have out there, but thankfully that shoe rack is able to accommodate all of them.
Now I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. How'd I end up alone? I'm not certain. The girls impolite in the club every night. Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. How'd I end up alone? I'm not certain. The girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you're Hollywood perfect.
My drawers are a disaster. I am someone who buys a lot of workout clothes and just stuff it inside of my drawers, and I just continue to stuff and stuff and stuff, the point where I can't find anything. And so I'm just digging around, and I end up wearing the same workout clothes every single week to work out because I just grab what's on top instead of trying to find a different outfit or something like that. So I feel like if I have all of my shirts hung and my drawers a little bit more organized, I will definitely utilize my workout clothes more.
Light in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Ain't got no place to call my own. Feels like I'm better off alone. So sad inside and hopeless. These Hollywood hoes never notice. Can't get back on. Girl, I miss you. Can't get back on. Girl, I miss you. Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. And I end up alone, I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. How'd I end up alone? I'm not certain. The girls impolite in the club every night. Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you got some inspiration to do your own closet. Like I said, it has been 2 years since I actually fully redid our closet, and it definitely needed it. As I was looking at some bins or like containers to put stuff in, I did notice that a lot of the bins that I wanted were very, not expensive, but like $15 for one bin. And I wanted to keep this very budget friendly. So everything that I found was on Amazon, very affordable, and gives you definitely the most bang for your buck to give you that really stylish, organized closet without spending a lot of money. If you enjoyed the content that you saw today, please like and subscribe to my channel. It helped me out so much. And until next time.